Hello, Dr. Ramon Lusarga with a video accompanying our study of Basil's sermon against usury, in other words, against charging interest for loans. Basil and the early church were opposed not to the loaning of money. Loaning money was fine so long as you did not charge interest. In other words, usury. The charging of interest with the loaning of money was prohibited because the money that you earned from loaning money was seen as not having any tangible value produced. There was nothing concrete that came with your making money off of the money that you loaned. Therefore, it was prohibited. And Basil gives other arguments in the sermon that you're reading for our next class. You will also see with the accompanying online article that I included, along with this video, that there is a shift in church teaching when it comes to usury. And we're going to be discussing the reasons behind that shift and whether or not the church still prohibits usury. So, behind this thought, I will add a second definition for usury. Two definitions that we're going to work with. Alongside the early church's definition of usury, which is the charging of interest at any amount for loans of any amount, there is this newer definition of usury. And this newer definition of usury that we use today in Catholic moral theology is the idea of charging excess interest for a loan. Which brings up the question, how much is excessive? That's going to be an important issue because we have payday loan stores, we have in Mesa used car stores that do their own internal financing for cars. We have all sorts of means by which people are loaned money. And each institution offers differing levels of interest. And some would say that they are robbing people by charging excess amounts of interest. How much is excessive? And that is assuming that charging interest is moral. Perhaps you may agree with the Church Fathers. We'll see you next class.